Ka Meghalaya Football Association mentaka sngi ka apun ru tarik uyayong kala Pyllait Paidbah ka trophy ka sur Jingrwai bat ya ka website jong ka Lympung Ialehkai Phutbol bahe tam ha ka Jylla ka Meghalaya State League. Hakani ka sngi la iadonlang u president ka MFA Larsing M sawyan u assistant secretary u Bah Dip Ryntathiangki ki vice president ki dkhot ki nongialam jong ki synjuk Ialehkai Phutbol na baroh ki district ki kapten bat ki player jong baroh ki team. Iaka MSL hakani ka kynti la phiah ki South zone kata ka Shillong zone, Jowai zone, Tura zone bat ka Mawkyrwat zone.
The members of the MFA, the president, the four vice presidents, the general secretary, the staff and the tournament director, all the officials of the FA, please come line up.
Sports and football associations who are present here today, also to the captains of all the participating teams who are gathered here today. It is indeed a very, very momentous occasion in the sense that we are here today to launch the MSL in its new avatar after having successfully conducted two leagues in the previous years. However, after the derailment of football activities in the state largely due to COVID, we are now coming back with a new vision and a more perhaps dynamic approach towards taking football to the next level. As some of my members have already mentioned, Meghalaya has tasted some success in the last 5 to 6 years. The state team, the Meghalaya state team, in fact, in the last 4 to 5 editions of the Santosh Trophy, has been consistently qualifying from the Northeast to the final rounds of the Santosh Trophy. So this year's performance is not a flash in the pan. Normally 2 teams from the Northeast qualify under the new structured system of the Santosh Trophy, and every year in the last 5 to 6 editions, Meghalaya has always been one of those 2 Northeast teams that have qualified. Sometimes Mizoram has qualified with Meghalaya, sometimes Manipur has qualified, and in one occasion maybe Assam. So it has been showing that Meghalaya has consistently been performing, and undoubtedly this time we have done well by reaching the finals of the Santosh Trophy, which I think is a tribute to the football-loving people of Meghalaya. Football is a very, very popular sport here in Meghalaya, and is due to the love and support of the people of the state that we perhaps have reached where we have. But internally, deep inside, we also know that there is much, much more to be achieved and much, much more to be done. And it is with this objective and this vision that we launch the new MSL. And we believe that the future of Meghalaya football, to develop football to the next level, we need to not only look at a senior league. So from now on, going forward, maybe this is 1 year where we are playing with the state team or with the senior teams. But in the future years, the vision of the MSL is that the MSL will start from the age of 4, 5, 6, all the way to professional football players. So when we talk about MSL in the future, our objective is that we will have the baby leagues in each of the district associations of Meghalaya, where we will allow and give an opportunity to young budding kids to start playing football from the age of 4, 5 onwards up to 12 in a regular and a professional manner. I'm happy to see that the Shillong Sports Association has already taken some initiatives in this regard. They have been conducting some junior leagues beyond the under-15s, or rather below the under-15s. And I take this opportunity to inform all our members here that are present from the different district associations that MFA is currently in talks with the government to prepare a master plan where the development of football will begin from the grassroots. Because without development of football in the grassroots, we cannot call it real development. We cannot teach our teachers education, or rather our students, how to learn ABC at the age of 13, 14, 15. They need to learn ABC at the age of 4 and 5 and 3. Similarly in football, we have to open up the platform for participation of children right from the age of 4, 5, 6. Meghalaya Football Association has pioneered the baby league in the country. In the year 2017, we launched the first baby league in India in association with the AIFF and the Tata Trust, who sponsored it at that point of time. That pilot project was then adopted by AIFF and spread across the country, up to the level that even the ISL Children's League follows the same format. So in that sort, we are pioneers of this new concept of development from the grassroots. We did take it in our second and third editions before COVID to areas beyond Shillong. I think we had it in Jowai and Pyllait and some other places. And our vision plan is that next year we request all the district football associations that yes, MFA is trying its best to discuss with government and see what we can do to work together. But regardless of this initiative, I request you that if you want to develop football in your districts, if you want to take football to the next level, please start with the baby leagues.